Well, let me first thank Dr. Djinovic for his incredibly warm welcome here in Serbia and for the hospitality of Belmedic Clinic. I've been wonderfully impressed with the facilities as well as my experience here with Dr. Djinovic. We have many Serbian people, of course, in Chicago, so I was speaking with them before I left, and they told me how wonderful Belgrade and Serbia was, and they didn't do it enough justice. It's been absolutely fantastic, and Dr. Djinovic and the people here in Belgrade have been warm and incredibly gracious to a visitor here from Chicago. Let me again thank Dr. Djinovic. I've had the opportunity to come to Belgrade and to learn and study from truly one of the masters in the world in the field of complex reconstructive urology and genital surgery. Dr. Djinovic is truly like a magician in this field, and it's been an honor for me to come from Chicago and to learn from such a master in this field. To introduce myself, my name is Loren Schechter. I'm Chief of Plastic Surgery at Chicago Medical School and President of University Plastic Surgery, and I'm a plastic surgeon. I first learned of Dr. Perovic Foundation from reading many articles because Dr. Perovic was, of course, an international master in this field. I also had the opportunity to read and study from the world literature which Dr. Djinovic has written on these topics of very complex reconstructive urology and genital surgery and transgender medicine. So I feel like I knew Dr. Djinovic before I even came to Serbia and Belgrade. We have a mutual colleague in Chicago who also said how wonderful Dr. Perovic, Dr. Djinovic was, and that I would experience a wonderful time here in Belgrade.
But you was a little bit suspicious, right?
Well, we never know, of course. I've never been to Serbia or Belgrade, but it's been an absolutely beautiful country. The people have been gracious and warm and hospitable, nothing like I can imagine. And as Dr. Djinovic said, I intend on coming back hopefully many times in the future. I came all the way from Chicago to study and to learn from Dr. Djinovic, who again is one of the masters in this field and is known throughout the world in the field of genito-urinary surgery, reconstructive urology. And I learned a great deal over the course of the last several days from Dr. Djinovic. I came here to study and learn some of his techniques in the field of metoidoplasty, phalloplasty, reconstructive genital surgery, and it's been an eye-opening experience. Also, the facility is wonderful here at Belmedic Hospital. This is unlike anything we have in Chicago, and it's been a pleasure to work here and to meet the people at Belmedic Hospital in Belgrade. So it's been a wonderful opportunity for me to learn from Dr. Djinovic here in Belgrade, and I hope he will invite me back for many more future opportunities.